Have you ever wondered if that simple white powder sitting in your kitchen, baking soda, could really change your size, boost your stamina, or make your intimate life feel like it did in your 20s? If you've scrolled through social media lately, you've probably seen those viral videos promising miracles with baking soda. One week it's a morning drink, the next a bath, or even a cream. But can something so ordinary really deliver extraordinary results? Or is it a hidden trap, quietly undermining your health while you chase a fantasy? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what baking soda can and cannot do, how it may affect your body, and how to use it responsibly if at all. Most importantly, you'll understand what truly influences your size, your erections, and your intimate vitality, so you can stop chasing shortcuts and start building results that actually last. The myth that never dies: quick fixes for size. Let's start with the elephant in the room: size. Everyone wants it. Society shames those who feel below average, and silence makes insecurity even louder. That's why these baking soda miracles spread like wildfire. Someone promises a tablespoon of powder in water each morning, and suddenly your confidence or lack thereof makes the story believable. But here's the truth: your intimate tissue is not made of clay. Genetics, hormones, and early life development define your size. By the time you're 50 or 60, no powder, bath, or homemade elixir will add centimeters. Science is clear on this. Studies in urology and sexual medicine confirm that external applications or oral intake of baking soda do not change the structure of erectile tissue. So why does the myth persist? Because what men often crave isn't literal size, it's confidence, stamina, and control. Here's the kicker: that's exactly where habits, lifestyle, and health come into play. Blood flow, hormonal balance, stress levels, and even mental state determine how effectively your tissue can fill with blood, how strong your erections feel, and how confident you are during intimacy. And here is where baking soda can accidentally help or hurt if misused. What baking soda really is and is. Before we dive into your intimate health, let's clarify what baking soda is. Chemically, it's sodium bicarbonate, a mild alkaline salt. In your kitchen, it helps dough rise. In medicine, it's used sparingly to neutralize stomach acid or correct certain pH imbalances in the blood, but always under supervision. Athletes sometimes use it as a buffer to reduce acidity during intense exercise, but even here it's highly dosed and carefully monitored. In other words, baking soda is a chemical tool, not a magic powder. It has specific uses, benefits, and risks. Misuse can affect kidneys, blood pressure, and heart function, exactly the systems you rely on for strong erections. The science of size and circulation. Let's talk anatomy for a second. Your erections depend on blood circulation. Arteries must deliver blood efficiently to erectile tissue. Nerve function. Signals from your brain must reach your penis. Hormonal balance. Testosterone, nitric oxide, and other chemicals play key roles. When circulation is healthy, erections are firmer. When circulation is compromised due to high blood pressure, diabetes, smoking, obesity, or a sedentary lifestyle, erections suffer. And here, where baking soda intersects with your story. If you misuse it orally, the extra sodium can raise blood pressure, stiffen arteries, and disrupt the delicate balance your body needs to achieve optimal intimate function. So the promise that a simple powder can increase size is not just wrong, it can actively work against your goals if abused. Real-life lessons: 2 men, 2 approaches. Imagine Ernesto, 65. He watches a viral video and starts drinking a tablespoon of baking soda in water every morning, hoping to regain the size and performance of his youth. Weeks pass. He feels bloated, nauseous, and notices his blood pressure creeping up. His erections become inconsistent and his confidence plummets. The powder didn't increase his size, it stressed his body. Now meet Louis, 58. He hears the same claims but approaches cautiously. Baking soda stays in the kitchen for cooking or occasional soothing baths, never ingested in high doses. His real strategy focuses on daily walking, healthy eating, stress management, quality sleep, open communication with his partner. Months later, Louis's size hasn't changed, but his erections are firmer, stamina improved, and his confidence skyrocketed. This is a crucial lesson. Size is less about centimeters and more about how effectively your body expresses what you already have. Top uses of baking soda in intimate health, with limits. Some men use baking soda baths to relieve skin irritation, chafing, or mild itching in the groin. Here, what you need to know. Baths soothe skin, neutralize mild odors, and provide comfort. They do not penetrate deep tissue or enlarge anything. Comfort boosts confidence, and confidence affects perception of size and performance. Oral use, however, is riskier. Even small daily doses add sodium, potentially worsening blood pressure and vascular stiffness. In men with pre-existing conditions like hypertension, kidney disease, or heart problems, this can reduce erectile quality, the opposite of what they want. The real goal: confidence, not centimeters. Let's shift perspective. When men chase size they often really want: fewer failures, reduced performance anxiety, greater intimacy satisfaction. Size is a symptom, not a solution. If your circulation, nerves, and hormones are optimized, your existing tissue functions better, your confidence grows, and your experience improves. This is where responsible health choices far outweigh any viral powder trick. How misuse of baking soda can sabotage your health. Your body maintains pH and electrolyte balance through kidneys, lungs, and natural buffers. Overdosing on baking soda can raise blood pressure, increase fluid retention, stress kidneys and heart, disrupt intimate circulation. So, when a video promises miraculous results from alkalizing your body, it oversimplifies a complex physiological system. The real path to improved performance: sleep, movement, diet, stress management, and medical supervision when necessary. Baking soda should be an occasional aid, not a shortcut. Responsible ways to use baking soda. 1. For mild acidity, small, occasional doses following product instructions. 2. For skin relief, moderate baths for chafing or irritation. 3. Avoid direct application to sensitive tissue. 4. Never exceed recommended doses, especially if you have cardiovascular or kidney issues. 5. Stop immediately if irritation, redness, or discomfort occurs. Think of it as a supporting player, not the main act. Case study: Martin, 62. Martin had tried every trick: baking soda baths, lemon mixtures, even massages, believing size was the problem. In reality, high blood pressure, poor sleep, sedentary lifestyle, chronic stress. Once Martin focused on circulation, sleep, and open communication with his partner, his size stayed the same, but his erections were firmer and confidence soared. That's the lesson: real results are physiological and psychological, not magical. Partner trust and communication. Many men avoid discussing age-related changes in intimacy. The result: isolation and dangerous DIY solutions. Misusing baking soda can dry out skin, alter local flare, increase sensitivity. Instead, talking openly with your partner about changes and working together on lifestyle improvements supports both performance and emotional connection. Holistic approach to male vitality. Size and performance rely on a symphony of factors. Circulation, diet rich in vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, proteins, low ultra-processed foods. Hormones, adequate sleep, stress management, moderate alcohol. Nerves and intimacy response, curiosity, playfulness, emotional connection. Lifestyle, daily movement, weight management, hydration, avoiding smoking. Baking soda does not replace any of this, it's a minor, occasional tool. Bottom line, your real size is not in a jar. If you're wondering whether to use baking soda, use it with respect for its intended purposes and without expecting size miracles. Focus on half-hour daily walks, blood pressure checks, glucose monitoring, healthy diet and hydration, professional guidance when needed. Your true size comes from circulation, habits, confidence, and mental state, not viral powders or kitchen shortcuts. Closing thoughts. Chasing baking soda miracles is chasing illusions. Real vitality comes from conscious, sustained decisions that strengthen your arteries, heart, and mind. If today you stop believing empty promises and focus on genuine care, you've already taken a bigger step than any viral video could offer. Reflect on your habits. Ask yourself, am I building my health or chasing shortcuts? Share this knowledge with friends caught in miracle recipes and start rebuilding your vitality from the inside out. Baking soda can stay in your kitchen as an occasional aid, but your true growth, your true confidence comes from your lifestyle, your choices, and your commitment to yourself.